Hi everybody, welcome to Pepperina's World. I know I look a hot mess. Yeah. And then we're remodeling and doing stuff, so I still need to finish painting the trimming and all this good stuff. But anyway, I received my Rizos curls box. Let me do this. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I received my box like days ago. And I've been saying, I'm going to record, but I've been so busy doing stuff, taking care of my mom, my family, cooking, cleaning, all that good stuff. So, let's open this box. Ooh, it smells good. It's my receipt. When did I buy this? June 25th. And I'm barely opening it. July 3rd, I think. ¿Por qué eres una reina y tus rizos, tu corona? I guess that's how you say it. From one curly girl to another, con amor, Julissa. Rizos curls. Rizos curls. It's thank you so much for supporting Rizos Curls. Rizos Curls is created from the heart and is my dream come true formula for perfect curls. I hope you love Rizos Curls as much as I love making it for you. Con amor, Julissa. And then there's this that shows you step 1, 2, 3, and 4. They have it in Spanish. And then they also have it in English. And is this a sticker or is just a piece of paper? It looks like a sticker. It's pretty. So let's make sure I got the whole. Yeah, it looks like I got all 4. So here's one thing, because I'm not sure what it is. I think all these can connect it. Yep. So there's 3 in here. And it's the shampoo, deep conditioner, and the curl defying cream. I don't know if y'all can. Oh, y'all can see that. And then this one is, and I know if y'all hear all that sound, it's the fan in the background making a whole bunch of noise. My ears feel clouded. Now I'm popping this. And then this is the Refresh and Detangle Spray. And this is a 10 ounce, 10.0. Let me see what these other ones are. My nose itches. Sorry. 10.0 for all of them. And I bought all 4 of these for I think $70. And then you have to pay for shipping, which I think it wasn't that bad. $8, $7, something like that. Okay, $8.40, because I'm in Texas. But I'm gonna go wash my hair. I know it looks a hot mess. Look at that. I haven't washed my hair in I don't know how many days, because been busy, but yeah. So I will come back and show you what my hair looks like after I get out the shower. Okay, another thing before I jump in the shower, I wanted to smell them because I have no idea what they smell like. Oh my god, that smells good. It's shampoo. I'm gonna go take a shower, so I'm gonna wipe that little bit on my hair. Let's see what the deep conditioner smells like. That smells good. Okay, I'm back. I picked up the top that fell. This one. I'm like, that one I'm just gonna gently put back on because it's like cream is popping out. Like it's super filled to the top, or because the way it was in the box for so long since I took forever to open it. Let me smell this. Oh, okay, so this is like a cream consistency also. I thought it was a liquid. But yeah, this is the Refresh and Detangle. See, it's a thick creaminess, but I really thought it was just like a thin spray, liquidy, like this, liquidy, but it's creamy. But anyway, I'm gonna go take a shower and I'll be back. So, and you can see my horribleness. Look at this. Neglect. It's so sad. But this little curl right here is real cute. Poor little curls. I'm sorry. So I'll be back. Okay, so I just got out the shower. My hair is a little damp. It says for step 3 to spray the detangling. So I'm gonna do that. Please wait. Oh crap. I should have brought my towel. Okay, so now I'm going to use the 4th step, which is the curl defining cream.
How come you're all wet?
Because I just took a shower.
Is your hair going to be wet if you put hair natural on your hair?
Mm-hmm.
It will make you more wet.
Hey, so I'm back. This is what my curls look like. Don't they look pretty? I think they look pretty. And my hair, it feels soft and healthy. I don't know. It feels different than what my hair normally feels like. So I might be a Rizo Reina from now on. Oh my God. And then all I needed was 5 products or 4. No, just 4 products. And normally I have my shampoo, my conditioner. I put the oil on my scalp, which I did that today, just on my scalp. So technically I use 5, but normally I'll do that, the oil on my scalp, and probably 5 other products that I put on my hair. And today all I did was the spray and the cream. And of course I shampooed and conditioned my hair. But that's it. My hair, I feel it looks healthier. Unless it's just me tripping or something, but that's what I feel. Wow. And I probably put too much cream because I was like, this can't be it. Like, this can't be the only thing I put in my hair. But yeah, this is it. Oh my. So if you guys are thinking about trying Rizo curls or Rizo curls, like, I'm having a dry mouth right now. But if you're thinking about trying it, I found them on Instagram. Just look up Rizos Curls, which is Rizos, and then curls, Curls. Yes, I love my hair. Oh my God, it's so soft. And I think I was playing with it too much. I'm gonna see what my curls look like in the morning. Most of the time, I wash my hair every single day because my curls are ugly the next day. So we will see what they look like when I wake up. Right now I'm loving it. But even if they are ugly in the morning, I don't care. Look at this. And don't look at my ugly background. Like, yeah, it's so pretty. Anyway, I've spent 3 minutes saying my hair is so pretty. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.